Hello and welcome from Caravan Salon Dusseldorf, and here you can see some of the things that are available to be seen at the largest trade fair for RVs in the world. So we've got a large selection of caravans from Hobby, one of the largest producers of caravans, and I'm not going to do any caravans though, because I only do them on special request. And now I'm going to walk down into another hall down here. But here we have, interesting, we have the police come here, and you can actually do a sight test and a reactions test, which is free of charge. And I do that every year. But one year we had a go at me having a few drinks first. And so I did it in the normal conditions. Then I had half a litre. No, sorry, what was it? 2 glasses of wine. Maybe it wasn't half a litre, but it was of wine. And what happened? Well, my reactions weren't. In fact, I was in the top 96% of users. I'll just show you this here. This is Mobil Vet. We've got this concept vehicle. I'm going to have to show it in another video. It's really very curious and so totally impractical. It'll never get built, but very curious inside. We've also Mobil Vet has introduced these thin motorhomes, and I think that being a thin motorhome, it is something that we can feel more confident in. You have Roller Team here. This hall here is a company called Trigano. So all these brands: Benimar, Adria, Roller Team, Randger. It also owns Carmann, Mobil, Mobil Vet. As you saw, that Challenger, Chausson, and others. Anyway, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you this one here, which is a vehicle from Roller Team. It's the 281 Select and Kronos Fit, and for this thing here is going to cost something 66,410. So coming in, you've got the L-shaped sitting area at the front, and let's get some lighting on in here. And what's got some lighting on in here. So you've got a German layout at the back. Note, however, it's quite high up, and that will have an advantage because it'll mean there's more storage space, even if the bed is a little bit more difficult to get into. This is so it's a wardrobe there. Could definitely benefit from a light inside. In my vehicle, which is much older, the light turns on whenever I open the door. Might use a Hymer. And storage up there. Right, bed is really large, and double bed system. You've got windows on either side and in the roof. Storage only at the back. So big opportunity for putting more storage in up there has been lost. It does have this ledge up here, the point of which I think is just to highlight the lighting, I think. Also, there's reading lights either side of the bed. In here, we've got a very large toilet. So you've got this large duckboards, and it has a sensible sliding door. Over here, we will find 2 burners, which is all the rage, and a large sink. And here we have a fridge from Thickford, 3-way fridge. Under the kitchen block we will find drawers. Oh, I quite like the way that goes back. You've got something there you don't want anybody to find. Now, what is interesting, I think the floor looks really good. They've actually used this in other models. I really like that. I did something when I did my self-build. I did something like that. A floor, very large table, and also you've got this extra bit of seat there. The seat obviously comes up when the vehicle is in motion, if you need to have somebody sitting down here with belted position. But there you go, it's just a seat under the table, which is quite useful. I think the seats look good. Lots of space inside. I want to show you the space. There's me. Look at all this. Look at all this. Good, eh? I do like to point the height out, because I do really feel sorry for tall people who've got unable to get into vehicles because they're too low, or it's unpleasant and walking on with the head's crooked over. That's a hard open. Storage up here. Right, okay, it's quite a nice little vehicle. Now, price, I'd have to say, is relatively competitively priced. It comes with this enormous garage. Mind you, you can only put 150 kilos in the garage. I've heard some other claims being made, but I don't really think it's don't think that's realistic, some of the other claims. Outdoor showers there, so you can get the dog clean before the dog goes in. So you shower the dog goes into some mud and brings the fresh mud into the van. That's how it works. You've got a shore power there, 230, and you've got here, this must be for holding something. What precisely it holds, I can't say. There are also lashing straps in the bottom of the garage. We'll come round the other side. Big door here as well. That's where your gas goes. That's your toilet cassette. And here you'll find somewhere to fill up with water. That is the exhaust from the boiler. That's where your fuel goes. I heard of somebody actually got to put, can't remember, was it put fuel in the water or water in the fuel? Maybe it was fuel in the water when I think about it. Anyway, that required the entire water system to be repaired. Anyway, it's on a Ford base, which is in part, I think, helps. Well, as a camper van, it gives you higher camper van possibilities, but I think also with the Ford base in motorhomes, it does. I feel as though it does give more possibilities of space as well. Of course, I mean, the Ford bit is only this bit here at the front. This is Ford, and the Ford bit ends there, right? And then, except for the wheels, of course, and the chassis. But this is what is called the semi-integrated. That's Ford, and that's Roller Team. Anyway, let's come round to the front. Ford has a wider variety of engine sizes, starting with 2 litres, which for where I am in Poland is a major advantage. So, okay, there we have a new vehicle from Roller Team. Thanks very much for watching, and bye for now.